Hi, welcome back to operating system video tutorial. In this video, I will discuss what is operating system, what are the goals of operating system, and what are the components of computer system. First, we will understand what is an operating system. Operating system is a system software that acts as an intermediary between a user of a computer and the computer hardware. There exist two kinds of softwares. One is called as application software and another one is called as system software. Operating system is a system software and it acts as an intermediary between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. That is, whenever we buy a computer, it may be a desktop or a laptop, we will get certain hardware components like CPU, memory, input devices and output devices, and so on. So if you want to use those particular hardwares, we cannot use it directly. We need to install a system software so that we can use those particular hardware conveniently. That system software is nothing but an operating system. And this operating system sits between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. It can be shown something like this. This is the computer hardware, whatever we purchase. It contains different components like a CPU, memory, input devices, output devices, and so on. If you want to use those particular hardware devices, we need a system software that is nothing but an operating system. So first we need to install this operating system on the top of that particular hardware. Once you install this operating system on the top of this hardware, the user can use this particular hardware conveniently and he can run different applications so that he can make some productive work. There are different operating system exist in real world, mainly Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Android operating system, iOS, and so on. Now we will discuss what are the goals of an operating system. Whenever we design an operating system, we should make sure that the operating system make the computer system usage a convenient. For example, the end users may be a trained person or they may be a layman persons. They should be able to use that particular computer system conveniently. That thing is the first goal of an operating system. The second one is whatever the hardware we have purchased, they should be used in an efficient manner. For example, if you have purchased a very high configured system, it should be used at an utmost, or you can say that the highest efficient level. So that is another goal of an operating system. Third one is the operating system should provide an environment in which the user can easily interact with the computer. That means it has to provide some graphical user interface or command line interface so that the user can easily interact with the computer with input devices and output devices. Finally, the very important goal of an operating system is it acts as a resource allocator. That is nothing but whenever we design an application, the application mainly resides in the secondary storage. And if you want to run that particular application or any program, we need certain resources like primary memory, CPU, registers, cache memory, input output devices, and so on. Whenever we try to run that particular program, operating system based on the requirement allocate those particular resources. Once the program completes execution, all those particular resources will be taken back and those resources will be put into a pool so that they can be allocated to some other processes at the later stage. So these are some of the goals of an operating system. Whenever we design an operating system, we have to follow these particular requirements. So in this video, I have discussed what is operating system, what are the different components of an operating system, and what are the goals of an operating system. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.